Hey everyone, I hope you're doing well. In this video, I will show you how to transfer crypto from Coinbase to your Robinhood. So first thing you need to do is open up your Coinbase app and then you have to click on this send button from these options. Then on the screen, you have to select the cryptocurrency that you want to transfer in your Robinhood account. I will just select Bitcoin from here. After that, you just have to paste the wallet address from your Robinhood in these two options. So just open up your Robinhood app and then click on this crypto tab. After that, you can click on this search icon and then search for the specific currency that you want to receive. I will just search for Bitcoin and select the Bitcoin from search results. Then on the screen, you just have to scroll down and then you will find this option receive. You have to click on it and then you will be able to get your wallet address. So just tap on this copy address button and your wallet address will be copied. After that, open up your Coinbase app again and then paste the wallet address in this area and then click on continue. After that, you just have to enter the amount how much you want to transfer and then click on preview button. And once you do that, it might show you this warning. Click on continue. And then lastly, you have to confirm the details of your transfer. So make sure wallet address and the network and amount is correct. The most important thing here to make sure that the network is same in both your Robinhood and Coinbase app. And after you do that, click on send now button. And once you do that, your cryptocurrency will be transferred from your Coinbase to Robinhood. I hope this video was helpful. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel.